Welcome, quizzers and coaches, to the JBQ Quiz Talk podcast. Here's your host, Dan Anderson.
Well, hello, this is Dan Anderson, and I just want to take a quick moment to tell you how to go ahead and import your questions into your QuizMeet. So you've created your QuizMeets. You can hear we've got quite a few created, and I've actually taken the liberty to go ahead and import the questions already, but we'll go through the process so you can see how it happens. You go in here and you click the button that says Import Questions. You go over here on the right side in this small menu and you make sure that you've got the meet or event that you want to import the questions for highlighted. You go ahead and import questions. You find them, and it's important that you keep your files fairly organized so that you know where to find stuff. Now, there's no time limit on this, but it's always good to know where things are at. So we're going to go ahead and find these questions. We're going to click on the contender meet number 3. Go ahead and open that up. And that's all there is to it. Again, pick the meet you want. In this case, we're going to do championship. Hit import questions. Find them in your folder. And import. Bada boom, bada bang. There you go. I always like to make mention that take your printed copy of your questions and verify them with your imported questions. Sometimes inadvertently we upload the wrong questions to our database, and then you have quite an issue on Saturday morning when you're trying to figure out how to fix that. So an ounce of prevention, right? God bless you. Thank you so much for all you do for family discipleship and Bible quiz. And until next time.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.